Have you ever wanted to record yourself explaining a procedure and then have that magically turn into a clear step-by-step guide? Well, that's exactly what ScreenSteps does. Instead of typing instructions or capturing dozens of screenshots, you simply record your screen and talk through the process the way you normally would if you were explaining it to somebody else. ScreenSteps takes that recording and uses AI to turn it into structured, written instructions automatically. You get steps, you get screenshots, you get clean formatting without starting from a blank page. And once it's in ScreenSteps, you can refine it however you want. Turn steps into a checklist. Break a long process into smaller sections. Add decision points for more complex workflows. The result is documentation that actually reflects how the procedure goes and is easy for other people to follow. So if you're responsible for documenting procedures or your team's doing a documentation project, ScreenSteps and its AI tools will save you a ton of time and create documentation people will actually be able to use. To learn more, schedule a demo with my team or check out a short demo video where I show you how you can knock out your documentation project in a fraction of the time using ScreenSteps.